I want to do another video of my Show Your Prep series. This time I'm doing water storage and a little bit of water treatment. I'm not going to go into mitigation, nor will I go into methods for boiling water. Those are for other videos. The initial storage is the 5 litre bottles. I've got 9 in the corner of the lounge under the table. There's one 2 litre bottle there too. I've 7 more and a 10 litre box in this cupboard. There are another 3 new ones recently buried at the back of the spare duvets too. I've a couple more tucked in the cupboard with the cleaning stuff. 1 more in the cupboard near the door. Tucked away under this chair are another 5. There should be 6, but I encourage my housemate to use the front 3 as they're the oldest. Rotate your preps. I need to buy some more of these, but I have a few loose ones around the house. These smart water bottles are a bit more robust than normal bottles, but lighter than the normal refillable water bottles. This makes them quite popular with hikers, and I stick a couple of them in the side pockets of my day pack when I go walking. Next is the water purification tablets. This is a great way of increasing your water resilience without needing a lot of storage. This is a Millbank bag. It's an excellent pre-filter. Your water tablets, filters and boiling will all work a lot better if you pre-filter first. These coffee filters will do the same thing, and so will this shemagh. Here I have my water filter. I also have a water to go bottle which I bought after being ill during a holiday in Turkey. My advice when you're traveling is try not to make a decision about whether you're going to run some water through your filter or not, but just pour all of your water in as a matter of course. Of course, eating out and so on is going to make that more difficult. Here I have a little compressible water carrier that's part of my camping kit. And now we have the Aquabrick. I've got 6 of these and I'm very fond of them. They hold each about 11 litres of water, and I fill these up from the tap on a 6-month rotation. I use the cold water at the end in the bath. They've got 2 handles which makes them easy to manoeuvre, and they're really robust. The little Lego type dimples and knobs helps them stack securely. That said, as I only have 6 of them, I decided last time to store them standing, as obviously the cap is going to be the weak point if they do leak. Last time I had them lying down in a block. The little gadget on top is a min-max thermometer. I was concerned about them freezing in the garage, but actually they never came close to 0 last winter. The white water carrier at the front is one that I bought for standpipe duty. If there's a water shortage and the authorities do help you out, you want to be able to take advantage of that help. It then occurred to me that there's no point storing it empty, so I might as well fill it and put it with the Aquabricks. Try to get at least 1 container with a little tap like that, as manipulating the larger bottles and cans might be difficult for some members of the household. Finally, I recently bought these 4 25 litre jerry cans. I store these with the cardboard box they came in, placed over them to keep them dark, although the garage door is very rarely left open. Notice also that I have all my bulk water storage on some folded cardboard. This is both to insulate it from the floor and enable me to quickly spot any leaks. Thank you very much for your time and attention, and I look forward to our next video.